Huawei Watch 542M. Main features are display size 1.38 inches, LTPO 2.0 AMO LED color screen. Resolution 466 by 466 pixels, PPI 338. Brightness 3000 nit peak brightness. Bezel ultra-thin 1.8 mm bezel, contributing to an 82.5% screen-to-body ratio. Case material beige, sand gold 904L stainless steel. White 316L stainless steel. Crystal spherical sapphire glass, artificial sapphire glass for enhanced durability. Colors beige, sand gold, white. Strap material beige, composite strap. Sand gold titanium strap. White composite strap. NFC supported GNSS loan, GPS plus GLO NASS plus GAL-ILAO plus BDU plus QZSS. L5 GPS plus GALIL plus BDU plus QZSS. Huawei Sunflower Positioning System for enhanced accuracy. Cellular eSIM cellular calling, cellular model only, GSM HS PALTE. Bluetooth BT 5.2 BR plus BLA. System requirements, Android 9.0 or later. Speaker supported. Microphone supported. Health and fitness tracking sensors, acceleration sensor. Gyroscope sensor. Compass sensor. Optical heart rate sensor 6.0. Barometer sensor. Ambient light sensor. Body temperature sensor. ECG sensor. Depth sensor. Fingertip blood oxygen. SpO2 readings. Measure SpO2 levels with a gentle tap. Quick health checks, health glance. Press and hold the XTAP sensor for 3 seconds to launch a comprehensive health check-in, evaluating up to 9 metrics in about 60 seconds, including heart rate, HRV spoot, skin temperature, stress level, ECG, arterial stiffness, respiratory. Check. ECG readings, seamless ECG readings. Heart rate variability, HRV newly introduced metric. GPS features, enhanced GPS with offline maps, turn-by-turn navigation directly on the wrist.